Our batteries are widely used in various industries, such as electric vehicles, engineering machinery, electric boats, golf carts, electric motorcycles, energy storage system, mobile charging station, etc. We always followed strict quality control ensures the higher quality of products, with the concept of customers the first, quality the life. We strictly follow ISO 9001 and IATF16949 management system through the production of every detail. Each battery must be strictly tested before its delivery. Our battery products selling well in all cities around China, also exported to multiple countries around the world, such as America, Australia, Canada, Italy, UK, Germany, South Korea, Thailand, etc. We ensure robust after-sales support. Our engineer team provide 24 hours instant technical support, and our overseas after-sales engineers provide on-site installation and debugging services. Our battery products are recognized with CE and IEC certifications, underlining our commitment to quality and industry standards. Welcome to send inquiry. Thank you.